Another useful function on a string is len, which is a shorten of length. You could simply get length of your string. For example, here we have 6 characters. Allow me to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And of course, you could check the conditions. For example, if your entered data length is more than 10, you could give error or something, and you could control it. And another 2 useful functions is left, which in this case, you could say your string and how many characters you want to extract. For example, let's say 3. If I run, it will extract from the left side 3 characters, and note that still space it is counting. If you want to extract from right side, of course you could say the function right. Note that when I'm typing there is no autosense or any descriptions, but still you could right click and go to the definition and make sure if it is this function exists and how it is working, the parameters and other descriptions. Anyway, I close it. From right, of course, these 3 characters. And note that it won't change the order, only from right side 3 characters. And finally, we have another function named mid if you want to pick from anywhere. I could say my string, comma, as you see now we have starting long as, let's say from the second, comma, how many you want to pick, let's say maybe 2. So from this string, start from second character and pick 2 characters, am. From second, note that it's count itself and pick 2. Let's say from second and 4 characters, ampl, s and e, lefter, and maybe from third one, from m, and pick maybe only 1. What's the result from the third one? Only 1, of course it is m. And as I mentioned before, you could use U case or L case for uppercase and lowercase. And of course, you could combine it. For example, let's say U case and that string. First of all, inside of parentheses, gonna extract third one character, and then gonna make it U case. Now we have capital M. How about 3 characters? From third one, 1, 2, 3, mpl, and that's gonna be capitalized. And of course, we could use L case for lowercase, even if I make it, for example, all cap. Okay, and everything gonna be small.